Dr. Padmanabhan, welcome to India Plus Roadshow in Pune. Thank you so much for coming here. We also welcome you to Modern Plastics TV. Could you please tell us about steel engineering and its product range and some details for our viewers?
Yeah, thanks, Ginu. Um, yes, so Steer as an organization is involved in modifying polymers, polymer resins into plastic materials. By that, one means, the basic resin groups, whether it's nylon, whether it's polyolefins. What comes out of the resin plants uh, have the necessity to be stabilized, reinforced, filled with various other antioxidants and fillers, various other colors and whatnot to be able to meet the specific needs of the OEMs. It could be an appliance, it could be a sport good, could be a automobile. So the machines that we make are used by compounders, by master batch producers to be able to convert the simple polymer resins into alloys, blends, compounds, master batches, and so forth. And this field is taking a lot of improvements as a result of wanting to put in natural materials, natural fibers, carbon fibers in these materials to make them lighter and stiffer. A lot of work is going on in cellulosic nanofiber, Gino. And this is catching the world by surprise, the kind of improvements that nanofibers, plant origin cellulosic fiber is, giving to plastics. With the awareness coming in post-consumer front, that how do we effectively recycle, how do we effectively make a far more valuable material from post-consumer, again, compounding becomes a very important converting tool. Now, having said that, the importance of Steer's participation at the India Plus show is probably what I should be talking about too, being in the road show.
Yeah, because we are also looking to what message you want to give it for India Plus. So this will be a place where you can talk about.
Thanks, Ginu. So every trade show brings a spurt in economic growth. The whole concept of getting a manufacturer and a user together is the very purpose of a trade show, and um, the decision maker has to be able to come out with a team of people and make live decisions. So when decisions are made in a boardroom or an office space, many factors may be left out because people are not able to appreciate everything at one time. So I would imagine the location of a trade show becomes very important because the Indian industry leaders have to come to the trade show with their technical team, watch these machines in live action so they can appreciate what difference it can really do to the to their factories, to their production lines. So we expect that India Plast would be such a show. It can really spur the growth of Indian economy. And I'm personally really looking forward to it becoming a launch platform for many new innovative machineries and products.
So would you like to invite your friends from the industry to the show, and how do you see?
Obviously, so I think what is gained is by, what you know now. We live in a highly networked society. Everything is about social network. Say one comes to this event not just to participate in, but also to really connect. So we live in a connected world, and we heard about data. We heard about the importance of big data today. and so forth. So, Internet of Things, Industry 4.0, cloud computing. We live in a highly networked world. And so I would imagine, each of the exhibitors and the people who participated today in the roadshow should be sharing what they learned today or what they found today with all of their social network, friends, industrial, colleagues, their own their own people in their companies to be able to make this a grand success. Because the success of the show is the growth of the nation.
So we are expecting a huge crowd at India Plast, and thank you for your valuable time. See you soon at India Plast. Have a wonderful time.
I look forward to that, Gino. Thank you so much for having me on the TV.